This Google tool just cloned a YouTube channel making $3,000 per month with only 41 videos. And I'm about to show you exactly how to replicate it for free. Look at this channel called Time for Growth. Simple stick figure animations, AI voiceover, millions of views, and fully monetized. In the next 10 minutes, you'll have a month's worth of video ideas, complete scripts, and professional thumbnails ready to upload. This is the exact system big media YouTube channels use to reverse engineer successful formats. And today, you're getting the full breakdown. Let's get into it. The tool is called Google NotebookLM, and it's completely free. Here's why it's a game changer for faceless YouTube channels. The hardest part of running a faceless channel isn't the editing, it's knowing what to say. NotebookLM solves that problem by analyzing successful channels and extracting their exact formulas, topics, script structures, hooks, and calls to action. And this is critical because YouTube is cracking down on 100% AI-generated content. If you use AI scripts, AI voices, and AI visuals without any original input, you could face monetization issues. But NotebookLM is different. It generates content based on real sources, making it much safer and more strategic. According to vidIQ, the channel I showed you is pulling in around $800 to $3,000 per month. And you can replicate this exact model step by step. Let me show you how. First, head over to Google NotebookLM. Click Create New to open a new notebook. Now open the YouTube channel you want to model your content after. In this case, I'm using this self-improvement channel called Time for Growth. We need to grab 10 to 15 video URLs from this channel. Copying them manually would take forever, so we're going to automate it with a Chrome extension called Grab-It. Go to Google and search for Grab-It. Add it to Chrome and pin it. Click on the extension, then More Settings. Scroll down and click Add New Action. Here's the quick setup. Select left mouse button, then Control. Choose your preferred color. I'm going with green. Make sure you select Copy to Clipboard. Leave the advanced settings as they are, and click Save. Now go back to the channel, click on Videos, and once everything loads, use left-click plus Control to copy all the URLs at once. Super fast. Head back to NotebookLM and click Add Resources. Scroll down and select YouTube, then paste all those links. Let them process fully. Here's what makes this powerful. You can add multiple source types, blog articles, PDFs, text samples. The more quality sources you add, the better your results will be. Give your notebook a title. I'm calling mine Clone of Self-Improvement Channel. Now go to the chat feature and ask it to analyze the sources and identify the niche, script structure, title format, and tone. I've compiled all the prompts I use in a Google Doc. Stick around because I'll tell you exactly how to get it at the end of this video. Look at this. It's already identified all the patterns. Topics, hooks, script structure, even the calls to action. This is the strategic foundation most automation channels skip, and it's why they fail. Now let's build your channel. First, we need a name. Ask NotebookLM to generate 10 channel name ideas based on this style. See how detailed the suggestions are? Unlike ChatGPT, which gives surface-level responses, NotebookLM provides context and reasoning behind each option. Pick a name you like. I'm going with this one. Now in the same chat, ask for 10 video ideas. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, NotebookLM gives you precise, data-backed video topics that are proven to work. Look at this, 10 topics with detailed descriptions of what to cover in each. This alone is worth the price of admission. And here's a quick tip. If you're finding this valuable so far, tap the like button. It helps the algorithm push this to more creators who need it. Now for the real magic. Copy one idea and create a new notebook. Add the title of your video, click Add Resources, and paste the idea you copied. On the left sidebar, click Video Overview. This is where everything comes together. Select your video specifications and hit Generate. While that's processing, go back and grab your second video topic. Create another notebook and start generating that one too. With the free plan, you can create 3 videos per day. So if you set up accounts on 3 or 4 different emails, you can easily generate a month's worth of content for free. Let's check out the first video.
You know, What if I told you that the most boring, disciplined habits you can think of are actually the secret to unlocking more freedom in your life? I know, it sounds like a total paradox, right? But today, we're going to dive into how that structure is the key to buying back your most valuable asset, your time. This quote, wow, it just gets right to the heart of the matter, doesn't it? It's this powerful call to action. Stop being a passenger in your own life and finally, grab the steering wheel. I mean, does this sound familiar? I think we can all relate. You wake up, you grab your phone, and just bam, suddenly your day is being run by everybody else's agenda. That's what we call the reactive trap. And today, we're looking at the blueprint to get out of it. Okay, so this brings us to a really counterintuitive idea, what I like to call the freedom paradox.
Incredible, right? The voice quality, the pacing, the script, it's all there, and it's completely free. But here's what really sets this apart. Notebook LM doesn't just generate videos. It also creates slides and infographics automatically. Look at this quality. The text accuracy is next level, and you can generate these in any style or format you need. Now, creating content is only half the battle. If you want the algorithm to push your videos, you need proper SEO optimization, specifically titles and thumbnails. For titles, go back to your first notebook and ask for 10 clickable title ideas for your video. Notebook LM already suggested one when you generated the topic, but if you want more options, this method works perfectly. Pick the most compelling title and get ready for the thumbnail hack. This is where most creators leave money on the table. Thumbnails are the key to viral success. And here's the secret. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just clone the pattern of successful channels. Look at this self-improvement channel. Same template every time. Black, white, and red. Simple, bold, and effective. We can recreate this in Canva in under 5 minutes. Open Canva, click Create New, and select 16:9 aspect ratio. Start with a white background. Go to Text and add your thumbnail copy. Use Poppins font. It works great for educational content. Now go to Element tab and search for stick figure animation of whatever you want to be on the thumbnail. After you have selected your choice and arrange it properly, you can now download your thumbnail. This niche is exploding right now, and you're one of the first creators to know this exact method. Here's what to do next. First, comment Send Prompts below, and I'll personally send you my complete notebook LM prompt library, the same one I showed you earlier. This will save you hours of trial and error. Second, subscribe to Publish to Profit, because next week I'm breaking down the monetization strategy these channels use to triple their RPM. You don't want to miss that. And third, if you get stuck on any step, drop your question in the comments and I'll walk you through it personally. This system works, but only if you take action. The channels making thousands per month started exactly where you are right now, with one video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go build something.